Arf, arf to you. I'm Lulu, the PC Problem Solving Poodle, and I work in a computer store. Now, if you're going to pull your hard drive out of your old machine in order to recycle it, but you're afraid of somebody to get the information off the drive, please leave the drive mounting brackets in the machine. Some machines have drives that are mounted into special brackets so that if you leave the brackets on the drive when you pull it out, then the next user can't mount a drive properly. So check and make sure that when you're pulling the drive that you're not also taking the brackets that should stay with the machine. Remember, there are no bad computers, only bad human owners. Arf arf!